video, I'm going to be dyeing this plain white binder into the trans flag. I would like to say that this video is not sponsored in any way by any of these products that I'm going to be using, and with that said, let's get started.
So I started by measuring the binder and then dividing it into 5 even sections, then marking it with pins. Next, I soaked the binder in the sink until it was fully wet.
So, I don't really know what I'm doing. So it's kind of an experiment. So what I think I'm going to do is fold it in half over like a little wire, pin up the bit that's going to be blue and just dip in the pink. We'll see if it works. So I'm starting with RIT Synthetic Dye-More in Super Pink. So it says use 1 bottle for every 2 pounds. I was kind of just going to dump in a bunch and see what happens. So I fold a piece of wire. Now I'm going to put the binder over the oh, everything's wet. Alright, so I just put some water in the pot, so let's turn it up to high, I guess. Ooh, oh, it's like purple almost. Let's dump some in. So the place said to add salt to it, so we're going to add salt to it. Again, this is more of an experiment. I don't know how much to use, so... This is going to ruin my pot, so I went to Savers and got myself a $4 pot sticker still stuck to it. But I didn't get a spoon or anything. So I don't have a spoon or anything, so I'm just going to use this chopstick. Definitely put too much salt in that. This is what it looks like in the pot. I think I put too much salt in here, but oh well. And we stir it for half an hour. It doesn't smell good. So I actually just dumped out a little bit of this and added just more water. Coming out darker than I want it to be, so it's actually only been in here for about 15 or 20 minutes or so, so we're actually going to go dump this out now and see what it looks like. It's bleeding a lot into the white and the blue, so it might just be pink. So it bled a lot. There's a lot of little marks from where the pins were, and it's got the little spidery texture, but you know what, like, it looks cool, I guess. Alright, the next color up is also RIT Kentucky Sky. There's a lot more water in here, so I'm probably going to use more dye. It might end up super dark, maybe I'll just fade the whole thing. I don't know, this is mostly just an experiment that you're coming along for. Some more salt in it. I have no idea how much to use. I might be burning salt is not sponsored in any way by any of the products I'm using. For those wondering though, this binder is from GC2B and I am a size medium. Shout out to GC2B, they do so much cool stuff for the LGBT plus community. All their products are made in the United States, which means that, hopefully, safe working conditions and living wages for all of their workers. They also have great quality products and super nice customer service. Honestly, GC2B should start making binders with the flags on them. Like, hit me up with like a rainbow flag or a trans flag binder. Like, I'm a genius. Has anyone done this before? Probably. This sucks. Why did I do this? So the blue's not as dark as the pink is. We're gonna dump it out. See what it looks like. It's been half an hour. Let's go. So the pink is definitely darker than I wanted it to be, but I mean, it's not that bad, so I might just leave it, or I might put some dye remover on it. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna hang it up to dry and see what I feel like in the morning. So this was originally intended to be a tutorial, but I quickly realized that I had no idea what I was doing, so it kind of just turned into me screwing around. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more, and I'll be back with my next video.